says ultimate driving machine. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Doing a little shopping on my lunch break. So I run to Target, get some stuff for my girl's birthday. Taking the M4 out. Beautiful day, dry out, roads are dry, so should be nice. For a second before I put it in sport. I'm really trying to let my car fully warm up before I put it in sport. I never really drive it too crazy before the oil gets up to temp, but I've heard that like you shouldn't jump right into sport on a cold start, right after a cold start. So as much as I'd love to just get right into sport and feel and hear the car as it should be, I want this car to last me a long time. So gotta be, I'm gonna turn left here, I'm not going through that. Be careful, treat her like a baby. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, going to Target, gonna get some stuff for my lady for her birthday, and then she actually got me this super cool BMW M Sport sweatshirt. From, where was it? Like the official BMW website. So awesome sweatshirt. She got me like a long sleeve as well. She knows my interests, man. And I'll show you it. Jeez, once we park, I'll show you what the sweatshirt looks like. The back says the Ultimate Driving Machine across it. Pretty cool, man. But yeah, just a couple more things I need to get for her. Throw it in sport now. A couple more things I need to get for her, and then the main present is we're going to a little town on the coast of Western Washington called Seabrook. So we're doing that next weekend. So should be fun, man. Should be fun. It's been a long time since I've been to the coast. Used to go to Ocean Shores a lot when I was a kid. Ocean Shores a lot when I was a kid. Jeez, I can't talk today, man. I'm still kind of waking up, I'm not gonna lie, even though it's 11. So one thing about Washington, like if you come here, if you're not from here and if you've never been here, if you do come here in the future, you should definitely hit the coast. Scenic vibes are just unmatched, dude. The coastline in Western Washington is beautiful. It's really nothing like any other coastline I've ever seen. Like hazy, cloudy, spooky vibe, sort of, unless the sun's out, which it probably won't be this weekend. Mid-November, obviously. Next weekend, I should say. Yeah, probably going to be cloudy and maybe a little rainy, maybe misty. But that's kind of the vibe, man. It's, like I said, nothing like your California coast. Might be a little bit like your East Coast in the winter or the fall. But I've never been to the East Coast, to be honest, so I don't really know. But anyways, we're gonna go get her some stuff, and then I also got to pick up a battery for my key fob because I think my key fob might be going out. I remember getting a warning message about it. Here's the sweatshirt, by the way. Got a sick little M logo, and then on the back, I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. On the back it says Ultimate Driving Machine. So pretty sick. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can see it. So, sick sweatshirt. BMW, like their official clothing line website, has a lot of cool stuff on there. I think they gave her like a 15 or 20% off coupon on her purchase as well. Craziest thing too is like UPS stole this sweatshirt. Somebody opened up the package and stole this sweatshirt and then left the long sleeve. So we only got one item, and then good customer support sent us a new sweatshirt for free. So that's that, man. I'm gonna hit up Target real quick and I'll be back. All right. Sun is coming out. All right, anyways, back to work. I'm running late, so we gotta go. tried to find a battery for my key fob. For some reason, couldn't find the batteries at Target for the life of me, so just order one off Amazon or something. But I'm hoping that that fixes my comfort access. I've had comfort access reduced codes on this car ever since I got it. And I'm not sure really how to fix it. A rat may have chewed through the wiring. Key fob might be bad. Yeah, I just don't know, so. Process by elimination. We'll get it fixed eventually. It's kind of like the least of my worries right now as far as spending money to get that fixed. Well, I'm gonna head back to work. As always, man, I appreciate you for riding with me. Appreciate you for supporting the channel. And may we continue to grow together, thanks to your support. So, that's all I got. I'm gonna hit the gym later, hit the sauna. And that's about it for me. I'll keep you guys updated with the mods as we get paid. I got my bonus coming up here soon, so we're gonna put some money into the car. If you've been around, you know that I've been trying to save for a house. Saved up for a wedding ring. A few things that took priority over this car and this project. But we're gonna get back to it soon. So hopefully next summer the build is complete as I want it, but ultimately it'll never be complete. So stay tuned and follow along for the journey, man. Like I said, I appreciate you watching as always, and wishing you the best out there. Have a great rest of your week, great rest of your work week, and a good weekend coming up. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.